Namaste, good evening. Welcome to the brand new episode of Inspirations and Essence of Life. Today, we welcome you in a very different context. We are going to take you to Makwanpur district tonight. There is an organization named RADO, Rural Awareness and Development Organization Nepal, RADO Nepal. Recently, RADO Nepal, in partnership with Plan International, implemented a COVID-19 multisectoral recovery program to help rural communities of Makwanpur district bounce back from COVID adversities. Without further delay, let's visit RADO Nepal and also talk with the chairperson, Dr. Krishna Dhital.
I am Krishna Dhital. I born and raised in the Makwanpur rural communities. I passed PhD degree in sociology, and I have experience working in government, non-governmental organization around 25 years.
Can you also tell us more about your childhood and what inspired you to be on the development sector?
I completed my bachelor degree. After that, I engaged in the various social related social change event in the rural community of the Makwanpur, and at that time I got the job in the INGO. After 5 years working in the INGO, then come to the Makwanpur for working on behalf of RADO Nepal in the partnership with Plan International Nepal since 2002. And our entry point was in the waste sector. Then the program is increased, and the partnership also awarded the various program. Due to this, we are here and working for the community of Makwanpur. I am constantly working from very beginning in the Makwanpur since 2002 in the position of chairperson of the RADO, and we have got the opportunity to the partnership with various STEAM organization, even in the UN organization and various international non-governmental organization, as well as the government office also in the various field. Mostly focused in the water, sanitation and hygiene, disaster risk reduction, climate change adoption, school physical improvement program, learn without fear for ending corporal punishment and promoting learning with dignity. Similarly, trailways construction program and protection in the child protection, including reduction of the human trafficking and reduction in the child and forced marriage. And also last 3 years we all are aware about the COVID and its impact. We have got the opportunity to work in the COVID response and recovery project also.
Can you tell us about the establishment of RADO and the ongoing projects with RADO Nepal?
Yes, so we have established by the team RADO in 1994, and actually the field program is started in 2002 in Makwanpur, when we got the opportunity in the partnership and the funding opportunity, and we have established RADO Nepal in the vision of making the resilient community, and the objectives is too much aligned with the SDG goal and previously in the MDG goals, its target and indicators, and we are supporting to the government objectives, and the program is aligned as such. And RADO is governed by the General Assembly, the apex body, and it has the executive committee board, and the various professional staff are working here for in the different program, and program is implementing through its program staff, and we have inclusive body in General Assembly, more than 40% female participation, in the staff more than 50%. Partnership with various government, non-governmental agencies. It means we are here and many people know about the RADO and its work very sincerely and very prestigiously.
How many staffs are there in RADO Nepal?
More than around 50 staff, I think, and there are very inclusive structure. Female participation, Dalit and Madesi, all the social group has been representing as a staff structure.
What are the current projects in RADO Nepal?
The ongoing projects in this fiscal year, I think, WAS and Resilience, 7 to 8 project titles. COVID, multi-sectoral COVID response and recovery project, DRR and climate change adaptation, was including expedition that has mobilized the international and national volunteers. Similarly, the protection, child protection in the human trafficking and the child marriage reduction also. And sponsorship communication that's focused on the childrens of the Makwanpur, around 7,000. They have got the opportunity to engage in the learning capacity enhancement, and we are supporting various educational materials directly, as well as most vulnerable and critical families. We have supporting the medical support also. And we have in the partnership with the government agencies, previously in the TBSU, Trailways Support Unit, and DDC, then DCC, and now the Palika. We are continuously in the partnership with them for trail beach construction. We are the single partner in the Makwanpur for supporting technically and socially. And in the last year, we got also opportunity to partnership with SWA, Sanitation and Water for All, for strengthening multi-sector platform and mutual accountability mechanism, to establish mutual accountability mechanism in the WAS sector. These are the major ongoing projects we have.
During COVID adversities, very few organizations had the opportunity to work with communities, helping them bounce back from the COVID impact. RADO is one of them. So, can you tell us about the COVID-19 multi-sectoral recovery project that you undertook during the COVID adversities?
Previously engaged in government, local government to distribute cash also. We distributed cash to the most vulnerable household in the initial phase, I think 2 years back. Now in the multi-sectoral COVID response project, we have supported 2 rural municipalities of 180 household. That household we have identified and selected on the basis of the indicator in the coordination of local government. And we have supported food items to support income generation and the daily need. That is the major program. And also we are in the program of supporting and constructing or improving the WAS facilities in the schools level. Also we are in the education sector. Some of the projects there supported in the STEAM related education materials and learning to the student, and organized and conducted the various remedial class. And also in the Makwanpur, we have supported even in the district and all the palikas. I think most of the palikas have supported the health related materials to respond the COVID-19. These are the major focused in the multi-sectoral COVID response project.
What do you think the biggest strength of RADO is?
We are here and working with the community and in the partnership and the funding by the various STEAM organization as well as local government. We can say proudly in the socio-economic transformation, we have supported around 90,000 households in the Makwanpur, and we have started two campaigns. One is open defecation free campaign in Makwanpur that has a significant impact in the community. Similarly, we have started in all community as well as other schools Learn Without Fear campaign for promoting learning with dignity and ending corporal punishment in the schools teaching learning process. Similarly, youth mobilization, infrastructure development and trailways, these are the projects automatically and serve the people for easiness in their life, in their living standard, lifestyle and positive change, social behavior change. These are the major change we can say.
What is the biggest inspiration of your life?
It is too much satisfaction to work with the people, rural people, and the society is the university. We got the academic certificate from the various name of the university, but really the biggest learning university is a society, and we all are happy to work with them for the positive change, very effectively, efficiently, and engaging with them to transparently and accountable to them and for their development perspective in the sustainability, social change and partnership and strengthening capacity of the community. These are the values we are following and implementing very happily.
Any key messages you would like to address to young people tonight?
Yeah, we are together for change. Please share the ideas and the problems. We are here. RADO is here and working in Makwanpur 20 years with together. And coming days also we are here.
लम्साल टोल यता बुङदोल लम्साल टोलपट्टि त्यो राडो नेपालले त्यति थुप्रै सहयोग गर्यो देउरा डाँडासम्म अनि यता जोइ डाँडा पनि थुप्रै सहयोग गर्यो अनि त्यही भएर त्यो राडो नेपालले सहयोग गरे त्यहाँ.
This was a very inspirational visit to Makwanpur. We went to two rural municipalities, Gadhi and Manohari. So on that both municipalities, RADO Nepal has helped 140 households during the COVID adversities. They even issued a card with a QR code payment system and also trained vendors to deliver the goods, the necessary goods during COVID. So we found the project to be very impactful in society, and it has indeed helped rural community members to combat COVID-19. Thank you very much tonight for being with us. We will be back after 15 days. Till then, take care and keep watching. Namaste.